Want to see something spooky? Today, we're headed out to Clinton Road, one of the most haunted roads in the United States. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, my name is Steve and you're watching Motorcycle Vision. Today, we're going to explore a place that's very well known in northern Jersey. It's also featured in the series Weird New Jersey. It is Clinton Road. Clinton Road is located on one end at Upper Greenwood Lake, and down the road, the other end is Wayne, New Jersey. And here it is, you can see the sign coming up, it's Clinton Road. Clinton Road is famous for being one of the most haunted spots in the United States. So there is a story that goes with Clinton Road. Actually, there's a lot of stories that go with Clinton Road. One of them was that once upon a time there was a castle here, and they did devil sacrifices to it, and the ghosts and spirits, they still haunt the woods. It's another story about Clinton Road, probably the most famous one, was there was a boy and his dog, and they were playing here. And the boy, I believe the story goes, he was on a bridge. And on that bridge, all of a sudden, a black van, something like that, a black truck, was being driven by a guy who was drinking. And he didn't see the boy until it was too late. He hit the boy. And the boy fell over the bridge, and the boy died. The guy driving the vehicle didn't know what to do, and so he drove off. He just kept on going. What followed was the police came later on looking for the boy, and they found the dog, because the dog had dragged the boy out of the water to protect the boy. The boy was already dead, but the dog didn't know it. And the dog was barking and growling and, wouldn't let the police near the boy because he was trying to protect the boy. The police weren't having any of it. The police, they shot and killed the dog too. So now the legend here has it that if you go over to that bridge and you throw a coin off the bridge, the boy will throw it back to you. There's also a legend here that sometimes you'll be in the woods and you'll see what appears to be a big dog with glowing eyes, a hellhound, which is actually that boy's dog, still roaming the woods. So that's the two legends of Clinton Road. Supposedly one of the most haunted spots in the United States, definitely in New Jersey. You can look it up and find out a lot more about Clinton Road. Things you learn at your public library. I don't know. I haven't been in the public library so many years, decades I haven't been in the public library. Probably shouldn't say that on here. Now you've been told the legend of Clinton Road. You've seen Clinton Road all by yourself. They tell me it's much scarier at night than it is in the day. It doesn't look too scary right now, but hey, who knows? My name's Steve. You're watching Motorcycle Vision. If you like it, please subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave them. Please send me some likes, and I really like seeing your comments. I'll respond to them as soon as I get them. But it's nice to know you guys are out there. Have a good day. Ride safe. Bye-bye.